Hello, my name is Alyssa. I'm in Com104. I have learned much about public speaking and effective communication in this course so far. Communication is used every day in many social settings in the business, work, and schools. Communicating in business is important because you have customers that rely on your service. It is also important for business to communicate with customers, such as listening, being patient, letting it be known the company is there for them with any problems or questions that may arise. When selling a product, communication is a big role for products to be sold. Many customers feel comfortable when a salesperson knows a little bit about them, such as a job or hobby. Also, reaching out via email or phone call just to check up on a customer or product can also make them feel valued and continue with the company. Communication at work is also important. Organization and constant contact with coworkers helps everyone work together to get a job done or deliver the best service. When there is misinterpretation information or just lack of communication within the team, mistakes can happen, and depending on which field you are in, even may cause harm or death to a person. It is important for everyone to trust each other and help each other to work their best. Communicating at school is also important. Just communication between children can help a child's self-esteem and communication. Children that do not communicate well may become antisocial and can lead to poor grades and depression. Communication in schools is also important between students and teachers. It is important for a child to feel safe and to ask questions and to get help from a teacher without feeling bad or that they are lost. It is important for teachers to communicate with students because some may not realize a student is behind until it is too late. Teachers can really help a student who is confused on a subject or question, and this can help improve grades in life. As for public speaking, it is first important to have a subject you are interested in and comfortable with discussing. If you have a subject you do not have much knowledge about or feel like it is an awkward topic, you might look like you do not know what you are talking about and may look and speak nervously. It is also important to choose a topic that may interest your audience, such as starting out with an attention-grabbing beginning of a speech is a great way to start. Setting during a speech or presentation play a big role, such as inside or outside. You need different equipment outside than you do on the inside. When the weather is nice and sunny out, a speech may be done outside. This can be challenging as there are a wider space for voice to get across. A microphone with a bigger speaker may be needed and may cause technical difficulties. Also, noises such as planes, cars, animals, and other environmental objects can distract an audience than it would on the inside. It is also important to be aware of your audience. Who are you speaking to? You do not want to talk about a subject that would be interesting to a 16-year-old, but your audience is grandparents. They will not understand what is being talked about and will lose interest. During a speech, cues are important. Some verbal cues are to introduce yourself, to speak loud enough for the audience to hear you, speak calmly and efficiently, and use no filler words such as Some nonverbal communication skills to use are standing up straight and tall, give eye contact, and smile. This lets the audience know you are interested in them and you are confident about knowing your material. There is also forms of technology that are used in speeches and communication. PowerPoint is a nice tool to use because it can give key points in a presentation you are giving. It can have people focus on the crucial points, maybe even write them down. The length of a PowerPoint should be about 10 slides long with 7 bullet points with 7 or less words in each point. A little color and visual art can be helpful and add some life into a presentation. It is important to remember only to use a little bit of this visual on a PowerPoint because it can actually distract from what you are discussing. Another tool is YouTube. YouTube is a video of someone and can be used for speaking and also can be thrown in a PowerPoint into the video. It is also important to make sure the quality of the video is well, that everyone who watches can hear you loud enough and clearly, and you are still giving eye contact. YouTube is a great tool because many enjoy videos nowadays and can present information anywhere. I have learned many new skills in this course so far, and I plan to use them in the future in my career. Thank you.